Okay, so check it out, guys. Sorry about not posting the video for a very long time. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see if I can keep up this whole making videos. I'll be busy all this month, or possibly next month. This will be a lot of videos right there, baby. But today's video is my first Glock. It's the Glock 48. I'm gonna do a little comparison and what I think of the Glock. It's not gonna be a full review video. It's just gonna be me, my first time shooting this Glock, and what I think of it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video. First time shooting a Glock, and it's a 48. First impressions, last impressions. Takes some getting used to. The trigger always feels weird because every time I pull the trigger, I jerk the trigger. I'm trying to get used to it. See that little jerk? It's really hard to get used to. Ah. Ah! I can hit nothing with this thing. How many was that? A lot of misses. It's good for suppressive fire, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, 5 hits. Just put it that way.
35 rounds, 5 hits. That's good odds. It's a nifty little pistol, it's just I can't hit spit with it. Let me see if I can hit spit with the Sig, with the Romeo. No red dot, iron sights. Obviously, better, way better. I shot about
12 hits.
21 rounds in the chamber or magazine. 21 rounds in the magazine and 12 hits. Sig P320, way better than that Glock. Like Sig versus Glock or anything, but trigger, I had to do some breaking in with the trigger. I can't go to just trigger it automatically start killing it. Sig P320 shoots a little high because these iron sights aren't designed to hit straight on. But once you just fire, bing bing boom, good to go. Pretty simple. The trigger feels mushy, but I don't jerk it. So watch that. Look down the sights. Watch as I pull the trigger. Right there. See how that jerk is? Or was I looking down the trigger? That little bit of jerking really messes you up. Well, messes me up. Sig. Nothing. Almost actually nothing. Pretty steady. But this is a good pistol for the ladies. Then again, the Sig P320 has a really good easy slide release. It's really easy, especially if you got the Romeo on it. Just pull. Oh. This one is kind of, serrades aren't very good. Maybe if we do it like that, we're pretty decent. Pretty tough. Pretty easy. Pretty much, well, my selling point for the Glock 48 was that. The slender profile of the pistol. That was one of my selling points on it. It's very slender, very easy for me to grab. Unlike other Glocks where, this is the first Glock I ever fired. So, I'm not used to, maybe break it down a little, break it in a little more practicing on a trigger. See, there it is. I kind of shake every time I pull the trigger. That's like the bad part about this Glock, I don't like it. Because I recently started shooting pistols. The pistols aren't my thing, but slowly I'm getting there. But other than that, it's a good pistol for concealed and carry. You just put it right then and there, carry it. You don't even see it. Good conceal and carry pistol. It's better than having nothing, to tell you that much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know some of you guys are gonna probably complain about my view on the Glock. The thing is, our first Glock. Probably gonna do like a full review on this later, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Remember, peace through fire superiority. And remember, vote Republican. Suspiciously out.
Again.
Do it again. Ah! Okay.